During the start of the pandemic, staff in Perkeso were told to start packing their bags and to go home. Even though that we have these challenges, restrictions, we told our staff that we need to be ready to start to deploy programs to help the country. And the war cry at that time was Demi Negara. Demi Negara means for the country.
Our mission is very clear: to provide social security protection to insured person and their dependents through social security schemes that will ultimately improve the insured person's social well-being. Employers have to access to our Assist system, which is built on Red Hat open source platform. We are lucky that we built our Assist system a few years before COVID-19 exists. When the pandemic reached Malaysia, employers are already using our system.
In the past, contributions are done manually. As for benefits, most benefits are submitted through a manual form as well, meaning that someone has to actually appear at the office or go to the banks just to submit one particular form. With Red Hat Enterprise Linux, we became much more agile. When Malaysia was told to go on a national lockdown, we were able to expand our infrastructure according to the requirement. We were able to develop a lot of applications in a short time frame, within days or even weeks.
The Red Hat open source platform makes our IT system more agile, able to scale the applications to meet the needs of our business. From a mere compensation-based organization, SOCSO is now focusing on prevention, employee health promotions, disability management, return to work, and sharing our best practices locally and abroad. Before Assist go live in 2018, 20% of employers submitted contributions payment via online, but today 90% are online.
We have actually reduced our manual process by close by 75%. Basically, now we have more time to care for the insured persons, workers who are disabled, who suffered from injuries and accidents.
With IT system making SOCSO procedures and processes more efficient, the IT people are becoming more involved in business operations. Moving forward, we definitely want to engage more and also look into the opportunity to improve the entire system in SOCSO.